Welcome, everyone! Let's have some fun learning new words together. Are you ready? Let's get started.
BL is for blanket. Blanket. Repeat after me. Blanket. Blanket. BL is for blender. Blender. Let's say it together. Blender. Blender. BL is for blossom. Blossom. Come on, let's say it together. Blossom. Blossom. BL is for blue. Blue. Repeat after me. Blue. Blue. BL is for block. Block. Come on, let's say it together. Block. Block. BL is for blouse. Blouse. Come on, let's say it together. Blouse. Blouse. BL is for blush. Blush. Repeat after me. Blush. Blush. BL is for blink. Blink. Come on, let's say it together. Blink. Blink. BL is for blaze. Blaze. Let's say it together. Blaze. Blaze. BL is for bladder. Bladder. Great job! Let's say it one more time together. Bladder. Bladder. BL is for bluebird. Bluebird. Repeat after me. Bluebird. Bluebird. BL is for blister. Blister. Repeat after me, nice and loud. Blister. Blister. BL is for blueberry. Blueberry. Can you say it with me? Blueberry. Blueberry. BL is for blindfold. Blindfold. Can you say it with me? Blindfold. Blindfold. BL is for blazer. Blazer. Repeat after me. Blazer. Blazer.
You were awesome. Keep up the great work. Ready for a quick review? Let's refresh our memory. What is this?
Blanket.
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 What is this? Blender.
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 What's this called? Blossom.
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 What color is it? Blue.
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 Do you know what this is? Block.
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 Can you name this? Blouse. Blouse.
Blouse.
Blouse.
Can you say what this is? Blush.
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 What's this called? Do you remember? Blink.
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 What's this? Blaze.
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 Can you say it? Bladder.
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 What's this? Bluebird.
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 And what's this called? Blister.
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 Can you say what this is? Blueberry.
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 What is this? Blindfold.
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 What's this called? Do you remember? Blazer.
Blazer.
Blazer. Great job today! You're learning so fast! Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next video.